Hey everyone, welcome back to Fortunes Forward. If you've already watched our last video and you invested your first $100, congratulations. You've done what most people never do. You've started. But now you're wondering, what do I do next? Should I invest more? Where should I put my next $500? How do I actually grow wealth from here? In this video, I'm going to show you the exact next steps to go from beginner to confident, consistent investor. Let's make your money grow faster, smarter, and on autopilot. Step 1. Make investing a habit. Your first investment wasn't about the amount, it was about building identity. Now it's time to turn this into a system, because real wealth is built through consistency, not intensity. Here's what to do. Set up an automatic transfer to your investment account, even if it's just $10, $20, or $50 per week. Why automatic? Because it removes emotion, removes excuses, and builds discipline by default. The habit is more important than the dollar amount. Think of it like brushing your teeth. Small, daily actions that prevent massive problems later. Next, diversify your portfolio. If your first $100 went into an index fund or ETF, perfect, that's a great start. But now, as you invest more, you want to reduce your risk and increase your exposure. What does that mean? It means not putting all your money into one single stock or sector. Here's a simple breakdown. 60 in broad index funds, like S&P 500 or total market ETFs. In international or emerging markets in dividend session, like dividends, or even small crypto exposure.
You don't need to be perfect. You just need to spread your bets across the world and let time do the work. Step 3. Reinvest your earnings. This is where the real magic happens. As your investments start paying dividends or making gains, don't spend that money, reinvest it. Why? Because of compound interest. Your money makes more money, and then that money also makes money. It's like stacking bricks, one on top of the other, until you build a fortress of wealth. Every dividend, every small return, every reinvested dollar adds up. And here's the secret. Most investing apps will do this automatically. Just turn on DRIP, the dividend reinvestment plan, and watch your portfolio grow without lifting a finger. Now, let's talk about what not to do. The 3 most common beginner mistakes are: 1. Checking your account too often. Every dip will freak you out. Remember, you're not a trader, you're an investor. Checking it once a month is more than enough. 2. Chasing the hype. You'll see social media posts pushing the next big thing. Ignore it. Boring is profitable, exciting usually loses. 3. Selling too early. You'll be tempted to lock in profits after small gains, but real wealth comes from holding assets for years, not weeks. If you avoid these mistakes, you're already ahead of 90% of beginners. Here's your final step. Level up at your own pace. You don't need to become a stock market expert overnight, but here's what you can do. Exhibiting one investing book this year. Imperialism, learn about tax-advantaged accounts in your country. Understand how inflation impacts your returns. For familiar with terms like expense ratios, dollar cost averaging, and asset allocation. Every bit of knowledge makes you stronger, but don't get overwhelmed. Just keep moving forward. So let's recap. Automate your investing. Diversify your portfolio. Reinvest every dollar. Avoid emotional mistakes. Learn slowly and stay the course. If you do those 5 things, even with small amounts, you will build serious wealth over time. You've already planted the seed. Now it's time to nurture it into a tree. Drop a comment below. What's your next investing goal? Is it your first $1,000? Your first dividend check? Let me know. And if you found this video helpful, hit like, tap subscribe, and ring that bell, because in the next video, I'll show you how to protect your growing wealth from inflation, taxes, and bad decisions without becoming paranoid. Thanks for watching Fortunes Forward. Now go invest wisely and consistently.